Welcome back! In our last video, we walked through how to set up a new class session. Now, let's explore the 2 registration methods available for your class. After creating your class, you'll land on the Class Creation Confirmation page. Here, you'll see your student registration link, which is the first method to register students to your class session. If you prefer not having your students register themselves, there is a second method where you can generate user accounts in bulk. For method 1, copy the unique registration link on your confirmation page and send it to your students. If you've made your session private, they'll need to enter the access code to complete the form. From there, they can choose their own usernames and passwords. Don't worry if you close the confirmation page. As soon as your class is created, an automated class creation confirmation email is sent to your inbox. Your registration link is located right at the top. You can also find your registration link at any time on the platform. Click Reports on your top menu and select Summary Report. Your link is listed near the bottom of the page. Use method 2 to generate ready-to-use accounts in bulk. Click Admin on the top menu and select Registration File. Enter a username prefix, like your group name or mascot, specify the number of accounts you need, and click Add. In a few seconds, your user accounts and temporary passwords will be created. You'll receive an email with all the login details so you can distribute them to your students. What if your students already have an account from a previous class? They can reuse it. Have them log into their existing account first, then click your new class registration link. They'll be added to your new session using their existing username and password. Finally, if your class is private and you need to view or change your session access code, go to Admin and select Edit Session Settings. You can view or update your access code from the top of the page under the session name. Now that your participants are registered and ready to go, check out our next video on managing assignments and tracking progress. Thanks for watching!